how to install Windows 10 in a VirtualBox. So go and search for the VirtualBox. So if you guys don't know how to install the VirtualBox, I have already done a video related to how to install a VirtualBox in the Ubuntu. So I'll put the links in the description. If you are not familiar, go and watch that video as well. So then click new here. Since you are installing Windows 10, give the name as Windows 10. You can give any name you like. So we can give the type here. Since we are installing Windows, we can select Microsoft Windows. Then otherwise we have Linux, Solaris, other OS types as well. So for the version, it automatically selected the Windows 10 version. So in case if you don't see the 64-bit versions when you are doing for the installation, it's because in your laptop or your desktop the virtualization technologies are not enabled at the moment. So if you guys see that kind of issue, it's because you have to go to your BIOS and you have to enable the virtualization technology. So if you guys have any questions related to that one, please put a comment in the video, so I will explain you guys how to do it. But it's simply you have to go for the BIOS and search for the virtualization technology and enable it. So let's go for next. Then for the memory, Windows guys recommend around 4 GB, so I'll give 4 GB. You can give any amount you like, but make it around 4 GB or more than 4 GB. Then create a virtual hard disk now. Keep it this way. We can select the disk type as well, but keep it as this way. VDI VirtualBox disk image. Then next, keep the dynamically allocated here. We can adjust it to fixed size as well, but keep it as dynamically. Here, as I mentioned below, we have the size of the hard disk to 50 GB, so we can change it as well if you need, but keep it that's enough for the Windows 10 machine. And click create. So all the configurations are now done. So to go for the installation, we have to specify the ISO image that we are going to use. So we have to go to settings and go to storage, then select the icon here, add optical drive, then add. Here's the Windows 10 ISO image I have already downloaded. So if you guys don't know how to download the Windows 10 ISO image, I have already done a video related to that one, how to download the ISO image from the official Microsoft site, Windows site. So check this out as well. If you don't know, I'll add the link in the description. So choose here. So the order is matters, because in the order we have the Windows 10 VDI, means the hard disk that we have created, and next Windows 10 inside the preview. So we need to get this Windows 10 ISO image to the first, so otherwise it will not load at the first. So you can change the order by selecting optical drive SATA port here, 0, then give it something like 1 2. So somehow the idea is to make that the ISO image to the top of the order. Then click OK. Then what you have to do is press start. Now it's loading. Yeah, here we go. So now we have to do the installation. Keep the settings as this way, then click next. Now you have to click install now. So you have to select the version you need to install. We have a couple of versions: Windows 10 Education, Enterprise, Pro. So I'll install the Pro version, then click next. Yeah, we have to accept the license and terms. I'm not preferring to upgrade, custom install. Yeah, you don't need to anything to do to disk drive, just click next. So normally when we are installing Windows, we make the partitions, so things like that, but you keep it like this way and just click next. So it started the installation. So I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when the installation is completed. It will take couple of minutes and it will restart sometimes, because when the video is paused, it restarted 2 times. So now you have to select the region, select any region you like. You have to click yes here. You have to bit scroll. If your screen is not big enough, you have to scroll a little bit down, then click yes. Check the keyboard layout. I'm picking up the US. Skip. It took couple of minutes, so I paused the video. So next setup is, how would you like to set up? So give it anything you like. I will give setup for the personal use. And you have to go for the next. Okay, now next you have to give the your account name. I am giving okay, then go for next. Password, give any password. I'll give as next. Okay, press next. Keep the password. Confirm your password. What was your childhood nickname? I'll give it same as my name. Another security question. Why didn't I have a pet recently? So I'll give Rocky. Okay, go next. What's the name of the city? I'll give as Colombo. Next. So you can select the settings you want, anything. So I'll just keep it as it is. Okay, we can skip the Cortana. Not now. this will take as this a couple of minutes, so I'll pause the video right here. So now everything has been set up, so you have the fresh version of Windows here, Windows 10.